In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Workast inside Slack. Workast is a handy Slack integration that helps you turn everyday chat messages into real trackable tasks. Instead of copying notes from Slack into another tool later, you can create and organize action items right where your team is already talking. That makes it much easier to keep momentum, reduce missed follow-ups, and stay organized without leaving your workspace. To get started, the first thing you need to do is connect Workast to Slack. Open your Slack desktop app or sign into your Slack workspace in a web browser. On the left-hand sidebar, find the Apps section and select Add Apps. In the search bar, type Workast and open the official app listing. Then click Add to Slack. Slack will open a secure permission screen in your browser. Review the access request and click Allow to complete the connection. Once that's done, Workast will be linked to your workspace and ready to use. Now let's look at the fastest way to create a task using a slash command. Go to the Slack channel where you want the task to live, click into the message box at the bottom of the channel, then type the Workast command followed by the name of your task and, if needed, the person responsible. Keep the wording short and clear so the task is easy to understand later. After entering the command, send it just like a normal message. Workast will instantly convert that line into a task, which is perfect when you need to capture action items quickly during a conversation. This method works especially well in busy team channels because it lets you create tasks without opening extra menus or interrupting the flow of discussion. If your team moves fast, this can save a lot of time. A good tip here is to write task names as clear actions instead of vague reminders. For example, use a phrase that starts with a verb so everyone immediately knows what needs to be done. That small habit makes your task list much more useful. Once Workast is installed and you know the slash command format, creating tasks becomes a natural part of your Slack workflow. You can capture important next steps the moment they come up, keep your team aligned, and make sure nothing gets lost in the chat stream. That's how to create a task in Workast using Slack quickly and efficiently.